Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside this video we'll look at some of the important updates in the cryptocurrency space in India and around the world. Now looks like the Mt.Gox story is still continuing, and this might be one of the reasons why there is a dip in the cryptocurrency space as well. One of the Mt.Gox trustees has gone ahead and dumped or sold Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash worth over 400 million US dollars. So with that amount of money or that amount of crypto hitting the market, you can clearly understand that the dip in the cryptocurrency space is evident, and also there's no new money that's flowing into the cryptocurrency space, causing the dip. And there is also a report saying that the interest in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin searches has also dipped by 80% since last month, and it's gone to the level back to October 2017. So looks like during the price hike of cryptocurrency, everybody were interested into getting into the cryptocurrency bandwagon, but now that the markets have entered the bear market, not a lot of people are interested, maybe because they might have lost money during the dip, and there are other factors like regulations, the Mt.Gox story, and everything just adding up to the dip that's going on with the cryptocurrency space. So this was actually expected, considering the price rise the all cryptocurrencies saw in a short span of time. This was to be expected. If people didn't expect this and thought that cryptocurrency would be going high in prices all the time, then I think they were in for a shock in this case. Now moving on, there is an article today saying that there are few stores, or there are few companies or businesses in India that are using regulatory loophole to accept Bitcoin in India. So this particular article mentions a company called Truebill, which is a car dealing company that is going ahead and using Unocoin as the payment gateway service for accepting Bitcoins. So basically a Unocoin goes ahead and accepts Bitcoin directly from the customers of Truebill. They go ahead and convert the Bitcoin in the existing rate as per at the time of receiving Bitcoin, and then they go ahead and credit the Indian rupees, equivalent Indian rupees, to Truebill's bank account. So that is how Truebill is indirectly accepting Bitcoins to go ahead and sell their cars. But the few people have raised few concerns if it's actually right or wrong. There are a few comparisons being drawn where people buy virtual coins and spend them in a game and other things. But at the moment, as per Indian government, the cryptocurrencies are not a legal tender, but they're not mentioned that they're completely illegal at all. So the Indian government is still working on the regulatory framework around cryptocurrencies. So once they come out with the regulatory framework, that is when we'll get more in-depth clear idea on how cryptocurrencies are regulated and what are the next steps that's been taken. Until then, we'd have to just wait and watch. Moving on, BitThumb, which is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea, is launching kiosk at restaurant for food orders and crypto payments in Korea. Now, as we know, Japan and Korea are actually the biggest the crypto traders, or the volumes that come out of these countries are really huge. This volume picked up just after China went ahead and stopped the cryptocurrency exchanges. If exchange in Korea is launching such kind of initiatives, then it definitely helps with cryptocurrency adoption, and the more the cryptocurrency adoption, the better it is for the cryptocurrency space. Moving on, IBM is currently working on more than 400 blockchain projects, and they have a huge clientele which also includes companies like Nestle, Visa, Walmart and HSBC. Now we are seeing a lot of companies, startups and corporations looking out to move into blockchain technology because of the various advantages that blockchain technology has to offer. And according to some reports as well, more than 70% of the companies will be moving on to the blockchain by end of 2030. So we'll have to wait and see how the blockchain technology actually goes ahead and integrates into different sectors, and definitely interested to see how it's going to decentralize and bring transparency in a lot of these sectors. Moving on, Zebpay has touched 3 million users. They did go ahead and send out a celebration email yesterday, and they are celebrating this by slashing the fees for the altcoins. So they have reduced the maker fee to 0.3% and taker fee to 0.4%. This is only available on the 4 altcoins. It's not available on Bitcoin, so it's available on Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple and Bitcoin Cash. Moving on, Koinex has launched Stellar. Looks like Koinex has been busy launching new coins as well, and they are looking into being in the competition with other exchanges, specifically with BitBNS. BitBNS already has Stellar Lumens listed on their exchange, and Stellar Lumens becomes the next new coin to be listed on Koinex. So at the moment, Stellar is not live yet, but it says here that trading will start soon. And BitBNS have launched the referral program, but unfortunately the referral program page is not working on their website, so we don't know the details yet of how this referral program works. So we might have to come back tomorrow to see if BitBNS would fix this page. So those were some of the important updates in the cryptocurrency space. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and also let us know your feedback in the comment section below. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.